How to turn a toy car into a real one. First you need a toy car and a real car which somehow have the same form. Then search for a relatively wide place like this, a platform. Go a few meters away, take your toy car and film from the ego perspective how you put the car on the platform. If you've done that, take your real car and park it right there where you put your toy car. Then again, go a few meters away to the place where you stood with your toy. Now align your camera the same way you had aligned it before with your toy car. Pretend like you are holding a real car in your hand and make a small upward movement. Now you have recorded everything you need. Just import the clips into your timeline, put them together and just set the cut right there when the toy car is almost at the place where the real car stands. And that's it. Maybe you need a few attempts to make this effect really work, but in the end it looks really cool.